I'm fourth generation in the business. The distributorship, which started in 1925, and I became involved with it about 13, 14 years old after school, working in the warehouse. Moved my way through, drove the trucks, worked the counter. So I've been around the business almost my entire life. Grown up around all this stuff, so I'm very familiar with the equipment, the chemicals, the processes. What customers are running into out in the field. This is one of those things that comes along every once in a while where you sit back and you say, wow, this is a great system, this is a game changer. We did a kitchen floor and actually a warehouse type setting where you have guys coming out of the repair shop and out of the warehouse tracking dirt and grease and oil and everything onto this floor surface. So you do get that yellowing, and you could notice that the floor was noticeably dirty. We brought in the Stratus Miracle Pad, and quick setup, brought the floor machine out, wet the floor down, and immediately went at it. And you can just see, the pad actually taking off all the dirt and grime, and you can see the traffic lanes disappearing. And then after all of that was removed, you strip it back with the wet vac, and you've got your floor all set and ready to go, ready to apply finish. Every application we used was green from start to finish. Green chemical. These pads, there's no cost to chemicals. The guys are not dealing with anything dangerous or any kind of odors or anything that may irritate any employees. So from start to finish, the system is very green. Going from the old school way of cleaning tile and grout, where you may need a several $1,000 piece of equipment with high water pressure and you're running caustic chemicals through that, and then going to this white pad that miraculously cleans the grout, it's a big change. It's a labor saver, it's a time saver. Not only that, it's kind of an aggravation saver because some of those chemicals aren't very fun to work with. Not everybody has that $7,000 piece of equipment with the hard floor tool on it, to go in and clean bathrooms with. So it's, from a franchise standpoint, it's great. It's less equipment for the franchisee to buy. It's an easy process. It's not a dangerous process, and the end result is actually much better and more consistent than it would be with the old school process.